Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a video on Pinterest, step by step. If you want to boost engagement and reach more people using video content, keep watching. First, log in to your Pinterest account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free at pinterest.com. Once logged in, click on Home Feed in the left sidebar. Next, go to the Create Content section and then click on Create Pin under the Organic option. Now click on Drag and Drop or Click to Upload and select your video file from your computer. Make sure your video meets Pinterest guidelines for the best quality. Once uploaded, add a title that grabs attention, a description with relevant keywords, and trending hashtags to increase visibility. You can also add a destination link if you want to drive traffic to your website or social media. Next, choose an existing board to save your video or create a new one that fits your content. Once everything looks good, click Publish and your video is live. And that's it. Your video is now uploaded to Pinterest. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more social media tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.